ChatGPT 5 initially focused on its coding capabilities and is now considering its role in mental health as well. Hey GadInsiders! ChatGPT's transformation has been nothing short of remarkable. What started as an AI tool to assist with coding and technical tasks has now become something much more, a virtual life coach, therapist, and emotional support system for many users. With the latest update to ChatGPT 5, OpenAI is facing a new reality. Some people are turning to AI during serious emotional crises. Recognizing this, the company is taking bold steps to ensure the AI doesn't just provide code snippets, but also supports emotional well-being. OpenAI is fine-tuning ChatGPT's ability to engage in sensitive conversations, making sure it responds appropriately to users in distress and doesn't give any harmful or misleading advice. But OpenAI isn't stopping there. They're aiming to intervene before things get to a worse point. In a major shift, ChatGPT will now have the ability to connect users to certified therapists when necessary, offering more than just a hotline number. This proactive approach seeks to prevent users from reaching their breaking point by providing timely professional help. Additionally, OpenAI is introducing parental controls to give parents more oversight into how their teens are using the platform. This feature will allow parents to see what their teens are doing on the platform and intervene timely just in case anything's up. This was a much-needed step that should be available to begin with. We feel like OpenAI is clearly taking its responsibility beyond just being a tool for productivity. With these new measures, ChatGPT is becoming more than just an assistant. It's taking on the role of emotional support, offering help when people need it most. What's your opinion on this? Tell us in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon so you never miss any update.